Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious juicy lamb burger. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay guys, so let's start by seasoning our lamb. Now I grounded my own lamb here at home, and I will leave the link to the machine that I used to ground this in the description box. So to this I'm going to go in with some Worcestershire sauce.
Is this sauce? What's the sauce, Mommy?
I'm going to go in with some chopped pimento peppers.
Chopped peppers.
Some grated onion.
Green onion. We have
In goes some red pepper flakes, which is totally optional. Some freshly cracked black pepper. In goes some salt.
Salt? We have the salt. And this is the salt.
And I'm going in with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning.
Put the season right there.
I'm gonna add in some of that chopped thyme and celery mixture from my freezer. And I'm going in with some dried thyme. When using dry, you want to use less, or you can use fresh thyme. And all we have to do now is mix to combine. So give this a good mix. Once mixed in, you want to cover it and store it in your refrigerator minimum half an hour. You want all of those flavors in there to come together before you form the patties. Okay, so now that this has finished marinating, we're going to form them into our patties. And I'll be doing this on my grill on the outside, but you can do it on a frying pan if you wanted to. So you're gonna pick up the size that you want, the amount to make the size that you want. So feta goes really good with lamb. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna open out the lamb and make a little well in the center, and I'm gonna place some of this feta cheese right here in the center. Put as much or as little as you want, or if you wanted to top it with the feta, of course you can. And I'm gonna close this up like this. You want to make sure that it's closed really well. And then you're going to press it out. I'm going to place it on my tray, and I'm going to finish form the rest of the burgers. Now to assemble. So while the burger is still hot, so I'm gonna do one with the feta and one without. So while the burger is hot, you want to place your cheese on it. My cheese is pretty soft, but if you wanted to do it this part on the grill, feel free to. So I'm gonna put that on, and I said one with and one without. So this one is without, and place the cheese on it so that heat from the burger would start to soften the cheese. I'm gonna take a tomato and put it on the bottom, which I probably should have done first. And now I'm gonna top this with my onions. I mean, you can assemble it how you want. You can start with the onions, whatever you want to put, however you want to assemble it, feel free to do that. I'm gonna go on with my lettuce. and I'm gonna top it with that fried egg. The egg is gonna hold down the lettuce, so don't worry if the lettuce is moving around too much. Then we put the bread on top, like that, like that, and you have your burger assembled. So now all we have to do is go ahead and start to dig in and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below. The link to purchase the meat grinder would be in the description box. You don't have to buy a meat grinder, but you can also buy minced meat in the supermarket. So whatever you want to do, but it's convenient to own your own meat grinder. So look for that in the description box. Leave me your comments if you like this recipe. Leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.